seen yet cleaned out. Running on a straight feed. And you see straight gas feed. I'm gonna hook up the regular gas line and see if it crank right back up. Let's see how this do. Original gas line back on. With the straight port gas, it's still running. Activity! Time to scrub this and clean up this. Try to save this pump. The back is about burned up. But we're gonna see what we can do. Let's go. Take everything apart, float, magnetize. I even clean that off. Next thing I gotta clean is the float, all that little corrosion, all in here. Hopefully just fix this and rewire it up. All done, nice and clean. Time to reassemble. Next thing, get to the wire. Hope this thing flow. Bad bitches only. Bad bitches only. Y'all mad? Y'all can't fuck. Hey, turn up. Turn up. We don't need no party, don't need no music. Hey, Jug. Hey. What's that Glorilla? Turn me up. Hype me up. Hey, hype me up. So now we need to check all these wires. Plug in for my fuel pump. Time to strip that, clean that up, add us a new tip on here, and go back into rewiring it. Let's go. So that's done. plug back into our relay. Let's start this. So now it's time to put the float back in here to make sure it's working and plug it up. Let's go. So time to put it all back. Repair all of this. This is a lot of work. Hope everything buttons up and start playing the plug. Everything got to be taken apart to get back. Plug in my wires. Fresh gas, fresh two-stroke. We should get some noise. Now he's back in the daytime. Let's see that elbow. Something light, something light. He's out here once again. We're gonna upload this video today. This is what, day 3. My boy's back at it. He's back standing up strong. He was out for a minute, but now he's back. Got some power.
Better keep going, 'cause that truck ain't slowing down.
Foot down. Got this thing up and going, all completed. Let's turn the key and switch on. Activity. We're gonna take this thing on a little ride. I got 157 miles on it. We're gonna put some more on it. Let's go. What you think? I gotta go the other way around. How you doing?